When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I girl who can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going.
Hey y'all, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So I have another versatile crochet for you guys. This one is using some hair that I found off of Amazon. This hair is super affordable. I found it for $20, you guys. It's a 5-pack in the color number 4, and this is Gogo Curl 12-inch. Sorry, it's not a 5-pack, it's an 8-pack. So you get 8 packs of hair in the color number 4. And this is the Gogo Curl Crochet. So yeah, I'm super excited about this hair because it's very affordable. A little goes a long way. I had like 2 packs left over. So for $20, I mean, you really can't beat this. So for the install, I did pull apart each curl one time. I wanted to go for a fluffy look for this one. So I pulled apart each and every strand. You guys, that was so time consuming. I literally started regretting it halfway through. I was like, dang, I should have just installed these all together. But I do like the end result, and it was a lot less plucking at the end. So if you do decide to pull them apart, you will get a more fluffy look, and it will definitely have that really nice, natural texture to it by the end. So this is the next day, you guys. I ended up getting stopped in between this install. It was my homegirl's birthday, so we ended up going to the spa. So this hair was in the water, in the chlorine, like it was just, I was doing a lot at that spa, y'all. But the hair held up, so you can see you can definitely wet this hair. You can definitely swim in this hair. I wasn't necessarily swimming, but the hair definitely got wet. So that's kind of what happens when it's wet. Then I went ahead and started installing in the front. Same exact install as the back. I didn't do the invisible crochet method at the sides of the front. I did do a little bit of invisible crochet at the top. Invisible crochet is when you only pull one strand through. You wrap it around twice and pull just one strand through, so that the knot is kind of hidden in the middle. But that started taking too long, y'all. This was like, I was just trying to get this done. Okay, we were on day 2 by this point and I was over it. So yeah, I did a little bit of regular install and a little bit of invisible knot technique. So I briefly showed the braid pattern in the beginning of this video. I will link the video where I showed this entire braid pattern. It's 2 videos before this one. So I'll just link it down below if you want to see my braid pattern and you want more in-depth discussion about how to do that. But yeah, this is more just about the install and showing you guys these curls. So this is basically the end result. I just kind of go around the perimeter and make sure I fill in the perimeter so that, you know, nothing's looking like it has gaps or spaces. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I go ahead and release my leave out and cut this hair into some layers. And yeah, I'll show you guys the end result shortly. And welcome to day 3. 3-day install, you guys. I literally slept with that bonnet, woke up, put my makeup on, and got dressed and was like, okay, finally, we are going to finish this tutorial today. But look at this hair. So fabulous. I haven't even trimmed it or anything. My makeup came out fire and I did not record it. Dang it. But I will have a makeup video coming for you guys soon because I've gotten my makeup routine down to a science, literally. But back to this hair. Look at this hair. Bomb. So I grabbed my scissors, went ahead and added some face framing layers, added some layers throughout the entire head. I do have a crochet layering video on my channel. I will link that down below as well, or maybe in the comments. I'll probably put it in the comments. If I forget to put it in the comments, y'all remind me, please, because my brain is not what it used to be. Okay, I need help remembering things. But yeah, I do have an in-depth video of how I cut my crochets, because to me, this is the most critical part. You can install this hair any type of way. You can install crochet hair so many different types of ways. You can use the lazy girl technique. You can use the not lazy girl technique. You can use invisible knots, whatever you want to do. But if you do not cut face framing layers into your crochet, it will not flow properly. It will not look good. It will drag your face down. It will just look not good. So if anything you take away from my videos, you guys, please continue to practice your cutting, because that's what's going to make your crochet really pop. Okay, it's going to allow it to move freely, to be bouncy, you know, and not heavy and weighed down. So don't skip this step. So for me, another really important part of cutting is having my bang area, the layer closest to my face, kind of like at my eye level. So that kind of helps too, to not weigh the hair down if you kind of have that first piece at your eye level. So then I did the other side off camera. So this is what it looks like, fully trimmed and cut into face framing layers. You see the big difference? Such a big difference. Like, I love it. Then I move on, release my leave out. I just use a rat tail comb to release my leave out. And I use my GLEEmade edge control to lay my baby hairs. And then I just grab a baby hair scarf to hold it down for about 10 minutes. I also use hairspray. I use my Paishu hairspray, which I love. It's an herbal essence type of hairspray, and you can find it on Amazon. I'll leave that down below as well. And yeah, put that on my leave out, and this is pretty much the look, you guys. Everything I use in this video is from Amazon, and I will leave links down below so you can grab anything that I used in this video from Amazon. It will all be there. I know somebody's going to ask me, this top is not from Amazon. That's the only thing that's not from Amazon. This top is from Opoly, and if it's still available, I will link that down below as well. The jewelry, this is my favorite style of jewelry. It's like this Indian Bollywood type style of jewelry, and it is from Amazon as well. It took me forever to find this vendor on Amazon, but they are fire. They ship fast. The quality of the jewelry is bomb, and I love it. So highly recommend this jewelry. I'll leave it in the link down in the description box as well. And these are the end results, you guys. I'm showing you the versatility of this braid pattern for this versatile crochet. You can flip it to the left, flip it to the right, wear it in the middle, or wear it in a top knot bun or a top knot ponytail, half up, half down ponytail. I just love it. I love the color. I know this color isn't for everybody. This is a color number 4. It's kind of like a ash brown. But I love it. I think this color complements my skin tone so bomb, and it complements a lot of skin tones, so I really like it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this braid pattern and the outcome of this $20 hair. Let me say that again. $20 on Amazon. Like, what? I can't believe I found a hair that is $20 and is this fire. And I had 2 packs left over. Y'all get into it, okay? Get into it. I'm excited. I hope you are too. Make sure you share this video, okay? Share this video with someone who loves crochet hair and loves Amazon, because I'm all about a good find. And this is a good one, okay? Look at it. Just bouncing and behaving and doing the most. And I'm here for it. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.